Hello, we are net.py, and today we'll be looking at another Hackerrank problem, and this problem is known as text trap. So basically, what we have to do in this problem is take two inputs and find the correlation between them and find the given output. So let's take a look here at the sample input. So as you can see here, they're given the alphabet from A to Z, which is the first line of input, and 4, which is an integer, is the second line of the input. So here we can see that there is some relation between the first input and the second input, which can be seen in the output. So basically, what we have to do is we have to divide the given first string into the number which is given in the second line. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So those will be the first A, B, C will be the first four characters, E, F, G will be the second four characters. So basically what we have to do is we have to divide the given string by 4. So each line should have a character of length of 4 in them. So that is what we should do. And let's see the code which has been given to us. So they have given our driver code, which is the main function. It has string and max width as the input for input, and of course it will be integer because max width is 4. And then they have given a variable result which is assigned to the calling of the function wrap, which is given here, and they have printed the result. So let's look at the function here. So the function has two parameters basically, which is string and max width. So all we have to do now is fill the function code and we'll have the output soon. So let's start. So first let us call an empty string. Let's define an empty string s. Next, let's start with a for loop. For let's take a variable c. For c in range of 0 to length of string. So as you know, length of string just returns the number of characters in the given string. And next, max width. So what max width here is doing is it is helping us to jump from 0 to the next number. So max width just gives the difference between which you should jump. So for example, if let's say max width is 2, then from after 0, it should completely skip 1 and go to 2. If it is 4, it should skip 0. It should not skip 0, it should go from 0 to 4, completely skipping 1, 2, and 3. So this is how max width works. It's just an additional parameter which is given to skip over or to jump to the next few elements of the given array. So let's start with the next line. So let's say s is equal to s plus string of. So what we're doing here is we're just using the slicing operation to get the string which we want. I'll explain this soon with an example, so we'll have a better understanding of what the code actually does. So new line. We're doing new line here because as you can see in the output, each of the 4 characters is in a separate line. So we'll have to include new line here. And next, let's just return S. So basically that's the code. Let's see if it runs. Okay, so as you can see here, the code is working perfectly and we're getting the desired output. So I'll explain the code to you with an example. So I'll take this itself as an example. Okay, so this will be a string and S will be an empty string. And the length of string will be 26, which is from 0 to 25. And max width is given as 4. Okay, so let's follow the code now. We'll first go into a for loop. So C is currently 0 now, and S will be equal to S plus string of C to C plus max width and the new line. So string will be equal to, currently the string is an empty string, so it will be having nothing in it. So string of C is 0 as we know. So 0 plus max width, which is 4. So we slice it from 0 to 4 and go to a new line. So what our string will currently have is A, B, C, D. as A is 0, B is 1, C is 2, and D is 3, which contains 4 characters. So this will be our first line in the output. So currently this is our S. So the next loop will include S plus string of. Now here, as we can see, C was 0 here, but due to the max width condition, it will be incremented by 4. So currently C will be 4. So now it will slice from 4 to 4 plus 4, which is 8, plus new line. So S will be having A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H. And will next have plus string of. So 8 will be starting again. So it was 8, now it will be 8 plus. So 8 plus 4 will be 12. So it will start from 8 and end at 12 plus new line. So it will have, S will be having A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So let's compare the output. So as you can see, it's going in the right path. So if we continue down this path, it will eventually exhaust all the alphabets, thus leaving the output with just 2 letters, Y and Z. So this is how the program works. If you like the program, please do like this video and please do subscribe for our channel for more such content. We'll also be posting more interview questions as well as hacker and questions. So please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.